What if I told you that a magic potion exists that could help you burn belly fat while you sleep? Intrigued? Stay tuned. That's right, folks. There's a secret elixir that's not only simple to make, but could also make your fitness journey a whole lot easier. It's all about taking advantage of the hours you spend in slumberland. During this video, we'll unravel the science behind this magical drink that stimulates your metabolism to continue the fat-burning process, even as you sleep. We'll delve into how each ingredient contributes to this metabolic miracle, and the best part is, they are all common items you can easily find at your local grocery store. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to whip up this potion in your own kitchen, ready to discover this secret potion. Stick around, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks. So, how does this drink help burn belly fat? Let's delve into the science. Well, each ingredient in this drink is a powerhouse in its own right. Let's start with cucumbers. Low in calories and rich in fiber, cucumbers keep you feeling full, preventing late-night snack attacks. Moreover, they are packed with water, aiding in hydration and digestion, both crucial for weight loss. Next up, we've got parsley and cilantro. These green heroes are not just low in calories, but also brimming with antioxidants. They help reduce bloating, giving your belly a flatter appearance. Now let's talk about ginger. This root is famous for its digestive benefits. It boosts your metabolism, helping your body break down food faster and more efficiently. This means less fat storage while you sleep. Lemon juice is another key player. It's a natural detoxifier that helps flush out toxins that can slow down your metabolism. Plus, it's high in vitamin C, a nutrient that aids in fat oxidation. Lastly, there's aloe vera juice. Rich in antioxidants, it battles free radicals that cause inflammation and bloating. Plus, it aids in digestion, helping your body break down fats and sugars more effectively. Now that you understand the science, you're probably eager to learn how to make this drink. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you're finding it informative. It's time to reveal the recipe for this fat-burning magic potion. Let's begin with the ingredients. You'll need 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, a bunch of coriander or parsley, and a half glass of water. These ingredients are all champions in their own right. Lemons, with their high vitamin C content, are known to boost metabolism and help burn fat. Cucumbers are hydrating and packed with fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you feeling full. Ginger, a powerhouse of antioxidants, ramps up your metabolism, helping to burn calories even as you sleep. Aloe vera juice, a potent antioxidant, fights inflammation and aids in weight loss. And finally, parsley or coriander, both loaded with vitamins and minerals, help to reduce water retention and bloating. Now, let's move on to the preparation. Start by squeezing the lemon into a jug. Next, cut the cucumber into slices and add it to the jug. Add the grated ginger and the aloe vera juice. Then finely chop your coriander or parsley and add that in. Finally, pour in the water and give everything a good stir. Let this mixture sit for a few minutes to allow the flavors to infuse. Pour yourself a glass of this magic potion right before bedtime and let it work its magic while you sleep. There you have it, your bedtime fat-burning drink. Try it out and remember to engage in regular exercise for the best results. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips. Cheers to a healthier you!